Welcome to the CPM Customer Success podcast, where we help Office of Finance leaders find an exact solution to enhance their corporate performance without spending countless nights and weekends in the office. Hi, I'm your host, Andy Smetana with Nova Advisory. Nova Advisory is a 100% OneStream professional services diamond implementation partner. We help OneStream customers and prospective OneStream customers get the most out of their OneStream investment. And speaking of getting the most out of your OneStream investment, we have a special download for you to help you make the best CPM investment decision for your organization. So check that out at Nova Advisory's website, novaadvisory.com/podcast, and download our free CPM Customer Success software evaluation criteria and selection workbook. The CPM assessment criteria included in this workbook is supported by episodes of CPM Customer Success. The workbook identifies each episode that you can refer back to, so explore that, check it out. It'll help guide you through your CPM investment decision process. The workbook's free for listeners, so check that out now. So today we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for all finance and accounting leaders out there. The unified financial close. The financial close process can feel like a marathon. You're juggling spreadsheets, you're battling with legacy systems, and you're trying to meet your close deadlines. But what if I told you there was a better way? Imagine a world where your financial data isn't scattered around across multiple platforms, a world where you can close your books with speed and confidence. And that's exactly what OneStream offers. Let's start off this episode. Let's talk about and acknowledge the elephant in the room. The financial close process, it can be filled with complexity, and it can be filled with sophisticated challenges that our customers need to deal with. Especially true for mid-size and large enterprise organizations. So if you're dealing with multiple systems, you have different currencies, you're operating in different geographies, you have a ton of intercompany transactions to process each month, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. While you're trying to close out your subledgers and all of your general ledgers from various ERPs, you're also managing your account reconciliations, you're booking tax provisions, and you're producing all important financial reports and statutory reports required for your organization. In our experience, we see 7 common financial close challenges. These are challenges we see our clients facing before they deploy a OneStream solution. So let's go through those now. First off, data accuracy. Ensuring the financial data is accurate and complete is crucial. It's really essential to the finance and accounting leader. But discrepancies can arise from manual data entry errors and miscommunication between various people in your organization. Second up, time constraints. There's only so much time you have to close the books. You've got tight deadlines to address. That puts pressure on your finance and accounting teams. That leads to rushed work, and that can increase mistakes within your financial and accounting data. Third, fragmented processes. Many organizations use multiple systems for their financial information. You might have various ERPs, data warehouses, you're sending data back and forth. All of that creates inefficiencies and it complicates data consolidations. Fourth, regulatory compliance. It's another challenge of the financial close. In the landscape of current financial regulations and statutory compliance, that can be incredibly challenging for your organization to address. Staying compliant with GAAP, with IFRS, and other regulatory bodies, that can be daunting. Fifth, effective team communication. So poor communication during the financial close process, that can lead to misunderstandings. Misunderstandings can create silos within teams that further complicate closing the books and having an effective close process. Resource constraints. So whether that's personnel, time, energy, finance teams, they have huge workloads. That leads to burnout, that leads to decreased productivity. So finding ways to improve that workload and that balance across your personnel is essential. And finally, technology limitations. Outdated software solutions and technology can really hinder your efficiency. Many organizations, they still rely on manual processes. They may be spreadsheet-based things. They may be moving data from one place to another. It might be reconciliations that are not automated. All of that is the old way of doing things. So it's really not suited for modern needs. So the first start to addressing these issues and challenges is really recognizing them. So that's what we're trying to do in this episode, is just call them out. They're obvious when you stop and think about these challenges. But if you really, sometimes it just really takes a moment to step out and reconsider those. So that's your first step. And I'm glad you're listening to this episode so you can start evaluating, assessing for your organization. By addressing these challenges, organizations can really start to identify where there are gaps and issues and start to streamline their financial close. So, what are the solutions that we can offer? OneStream solution has a ton of capabilities to support your financial close. It's really the bread and butter of OneStream. With OneStream's unified financial platform, you can simplify the financial close, consolidation, and reporting processes that you're handling. What makes OneStream special for financial close and consolidations? First off, it provides a single user experience. There's no more switching between different systems, logging in from one to another, having different screens up and comparing data. There's no more wrestling with different spreadsheets to make sense of all that information. You'll have one set of data that drives your reporting formats. It supports complex ownership. It supports equity pickup. Guess what? You get full transparency with cell level audit trails. You'll know exactly where every number came from throughout your financial close process. You'll be able to see the exact user and the exact time of any change, so you can identify, isolate, and make corrections if necessary. For organizations with high volume of intercompany transactions, OneStream automates eliminations, and that can be a huge time saver for you. That's right. There's no more super complex logic and macros buried within spreadsheets. You can just have smooth sailing to your first common parent of every alternate hierarchy. So picture this. You have a single unified platform for all of your financial needs. There's no more juggling nonsense systems or manual data crunching. With OneStream, data flows seamlessly across your organization. It's like having the ultimate team player that can really just handle everything. OneStream's always accurate and consistent in your process. Speaking of accuracy, OneStream takes this up a notch. So automation of data integration and validation, OneStream handles it. OneStream's smart data quality applications and solutions, they spot and identify and correct errors in real time. That means that you'll have reliable financial data quality for reliable financial reporting, and you'll avoid surprises. Let's talk about speed. So all of us have challenges in addressing our financial close on a monthly basis, and really information can never flow fast enough. So how does OneStream handle this? It automates those repetitive tasks that slow you down. So it does this with workflow automation and task management. So you can have visibility during your financial close and during tight deadlines to who is assigned to which tasks and activities, what is the current status, and then you can start to identify bottlenecks and avoid any kind of sacrificial quality issues or standards, because you'll know exactly where you're at. Wait, there's still more. Regulatory compliance, OneStream's got you covered there as well. So OneStream supports GAAP, it supports IFRS, supports many regulatory standards that you need to become compliant with. With built-in compliant features and audit trails, you can sleep easy at night knowing your data is safe. Let's not forget about the collaboration aspects of OneStream. OneStream brings finance teams together like never before. You have shared workspaces, you have real-time data access. You break down those silos we talked about a moment earlier, and you can work more efficiently and effectively together. Teamwork makes the dream work, after all. Those of you growing faster and faster than ever, maybe your growth strategies, merger and acquisitions, and your data and your systems and processes are really having a difficult time catching up, OneStream's there to help. It optimizes resources as you grow and scale. It automates routine tasks so you can focus on your business strategy. Because finance, it's really about the big picture. It's much easier to have a process within OneStream that you plug new organizations into. We just spoke with a customer recently that they had deployed financial close and consolidations in OneStream, and they mentioned that they recently had an acquisition that they were able to add to OneStream and stand up within 1 month's time and consolidate that new acquisition right into their financial package within OneStream. Speaking of innovations, OneStream's leveraging new technologies constantly. So things like artificial intelligence and machine learning, predictive analytics, and anomaly detection. OneStream has you covered there as well, and it keeps evolving, improving its platform. OneStream keeps you ahead of the curve in financial management with cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, OneStream's a powerful, unified solution. It transforms the financial close processes for you with enhanced data accuracy, with streamlined processes, with better collaboration, using aspects like workflow. It will really improve your financial close and consolidation processes. So a few real-world impacts that you could see on your business. Time savings, we mentioned that as a challenge. Every organization's challenged during the financial close and really can never have information flowing in fast enough to make better financial decisions. OneStream customers have reported significant time savings in their financial close process. So imagine reallocating the hours saved during that process with a mundane kind of manual processes that you're maybe dealing with today to more value-added analysis and strategic decision-making. It's huge for your organization. For global organizations, as I mentioned, OneStream's out-of-the-box functionality for things like currency translations that can really help you understand the real impact of currency in every account is invaluable for global organizations. So if you found yourself expanding into new geographies and wondering how you're going to keep up with financial reporting for those, OneStream can really help you out there. So why should you care about a unified financial close? Because it empowers your finance team to be the strategic partner that you're looking to be for your organization's needs. With real-time visibility into your financial processes, you can identify the bottlenecks in your financial close process, resolve those quickly. You can start to lead with insight, speed, and confidence. Who doesn't want to be the hero of your organization? With OneStream, you can be that hero. So now if you're excited to take your financial close process to the next level, here's what you need to do next. You can check out the Nova Advisory website for more information about OneStream and how it's helped other customers. You can also check out OneStream's website to learn more about their unified platform. OneStream's got a financial data quality ebook you can download. It's packed with insights to transform your organization, your approach. And of course, don't hesitate to reach out for a demo. Seeing is believing. Nova Advisory can sit with you during those demos. We can answer questions. We can apply real-world scenarios of what other customers have done to improve their financial close and consolidation reporting processes within OneStream. And we can really advise and consult with you on how OneStream can be configured to meet your unique needs. So before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect. The financial landscape is evolving rapidly. To keep pace, you need solutions that simplify those complexities, offering you speed, agility, and accuracy. And with OneStream, you're not just adapting a unified platform, you're embracing a revolution in how finance operates. It's all about becoming more nimble, more insightful, and ultimately more impactful for your organization. So to all of you finance and accounting leaders out there listening today, ask yourself, are you ready to streamline your financial close? Are you ready to lead with confidence? If the answer is yes, then OneStream is your partner for this journey. Join the ranks of companies that have already transformed their financial close and consolidations processes and are now reaping the rewards. Reach out to us. We'd be happy to talk you through and connect you with other customers if you'd like to chat with them as well. As we conclude today's episode, I want to thank you for tuning in. We hope you found valuable insights that'll help you navigate the complexities of your financial close process. Remember, the future of finance is bright, and with the right solution, you can shine even brighter. Whether you're a CFO, you're a finance manager, you're an accounting professional, the power to change is in your hands. So thanks for joining and listening to this episode of CPM Customer Success. Reminder, check out the CPM Customer Success software evaluation criteria to guide your CPM decision process. That's available on the Nova Advisory website at novaadvisory.com/podcast. The OneStream capabilities we're describing in each episode, including financial close and consolidation and reporting, we dive deeper into each of those criteria within the workbook. So you can use that to really guide your decision process. Thanks again for listening, and I'll catch you next week for another episode of CPM Customer Success.